Planning a trip to Amsterdam? Not sure what to pack and how to prepare? Well, you're in the right place. Let's start by saying that Amsterdam is a city like no other. Its unique blend of cosmopolitan lifestyle, cycling culture, and varied climate make it a destination that requires thoughtful planning and smart packing. The city is known for its unpredictable weather, and you might find yourself basking in the sun one moment and reaching for your raincoat the next. Not to mention, Amsterdam is a city on two wheels, with more bikes than people. So pack with the intention of embracing this cycling culture. Moreover, Amsterdam's cosmopolitan lifestyle demands a certain level of sophistication. Think versatile clothing that can take you from a day of urban exploration to a night at a trendy restaurant or art gallery. Stay tuned as we delve into the essentials you need to pack and how best to prepare for your Amsterdam adventure. Ever heard of the art of layering? In Amsterdam, it's a must-know. Let's paint a picture. Imagine you're in Amsterdam, a city known for its unpredictable weather. One minute the sun is shining, and the next, it's raining cats and dogs. Now, how do you dress for a day that can't make up its mind? Well, that's where the art of layering comes into play. Layering is essentially the practice of wearing multiple pieces of clothing over one another. The idea is to add or remove layers as the weather changes, allowing you to stay comfortable throughout the day. It's like having a wardrobe on the go. But how do you layer effectively, you ask? Let's start with the basics. Always begin with a light base layer, something breathable and moisture-wicking. Think along the lines of a cotton t-shirt or a long-sleeved top. This layer should be snug but comfortable, serving as your second skin. Next up is the middle layer, also known as the insulation layer. This could be a cozy sweater or a fleece pullover, something that can trap heat and keep you warm when the temperature dips. Now let's talk about the outermost layer. This is your shield against the elements, so it needs to be weather resistant. A light waterproof jacket or a windbreaker is perfect for this. And remember, it's Amsterdam, so don't forget to pack a stylish scarf to wrap around your neck when the wind picks up. One more thing, when it comes to layering, versatility is key. Choose pieces that can be mixed and matched. This not only saves space in your luggage, but also gives you more outfit options. So whether you're cycling around the charming streets, strolling through the vibrant art scene, or just sitting by the beautiful canals, remember that the art of layering is your best friend in Amsterdam. By mastering this skill, you can stay warm, dry, and stylish, no matter what the Dutch weather throws at you. Remember, the key to comfortable travel in Amsterdam lies in the layers. In Amsterdam, two things are certain: rain and bicycles. Yes, the Dutch capital is renowned for its unpredictable weather and its love affair with bicycles. So, let's gear up for both. Firstly, let's talk about rain. It's not uncommon to experience sudden drizzles or even downpours in Amsterdam, so being prepared can make all the difference. We recommend packing a lightweight, waterproof jacket. Look for one that's breathable and has a hood for maximum comfort and protection. Another great addition to your rain gear is a compact, foldable umbrella. These can easily fit into your day pack and come in handy when showers surprise you. Now let's move on to shoes. While Amsterdam's cobblestone streets and picturesque bridges are a sight to behold, they can prove challenging for the wrong footwear. Opt for waterproof shoes that offer good grip and comfort. This is particularly important if you plan to cycle around the city, which brings us to our next point. Cycling is a way of life in Amsterdam. The city boasts an impressive network of bike lanes, making it a cyclist's paradise. But remember, comfort is key when cycling. So consider packing a pair of cycling gloves, especially if you plan to bike for long periods. These not only provide a better grip, but also protect your hands from the elements. Also, don't forget a good quality, lightweight backpack. This will allow you to carry your rain gear, a water bottle, and other essentials easily while cycling or walking around the city. As we wrap up this segment, remember, the unpredictability of Amsterdam's weather is part of its charm. But being prepared ensures you can enjoy the city, come rain or shine, or a delightful combination of both. And when it comes to getting around, there's nothing quite like joining the locals on a bicycle ride. Just make sure you're comfortable and safe. With the right gear, neither rain nor long cycling trips can dampen your Amsterdam experience. Documents and safety items, they might not be exciting, but they're absolutely essential. When it comes to travel documents, first and foremost is your passport. It's your key to the world, and without it, your adventure ends before it even begins. So make sure it's up to date and has plenty of pages left for those coveted stamps. Next up, travel insurance. This isn't just a piece of paper, but your safety net. It's there to catch you when the unexpected happens, from lost luggage to health emergencies. Don't leave home without it. If you're not from the European Union, check if you need a visa. It's better to be safe than sorry, and getting turned away at the border is a surefire way to ruin a trip. Now let's move on to health and safety items. A basic first aid kit is a must-have for any traveler. It doesn't need to be elaborate. Band-aids, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, and pain relievers should do the trick. And remember, it's not about expecting the worst, but being prepared for it. Medications are another crucial item. If you have prescription drugs, bring enough to last your trip, plus a little extra just in case. And don't forget to pack a copy of your prescription. You never know when you might need it. Allergies can be a real nuisance when you're away from home. So if you have any, bring an EpiPen or antihistamines and maybe a card explaining your allergies in Dutch. It's a small step that could make a big difference. And lastly, pack some travel-size hand sanitizer and a few masks. These are the times we live in, and it's always better to be safe than sorry. So there you have it, your essential travel documents and safety items. They may not be the most thrilling part of your packing, but they are the backbone of a smooth and safe journey. Staying safe and prepared is the first step to enjoying your journey. Exploring a city like Amsterdam requires a few handy gadgets. Trust me, a well-packed tech bag can be a lifesaver. First up, a power bank. With all the photos, maps, and social media updates, your device's battery can drain faster than you think. A lightweight, high-capacity power bank will keep you connected throughout your urban adventure. Next, consider a universal adapter. Amsterdam's outlets may not match your device's plugs, and this little gadget helps bridge that gap. Just plug into any socket and you're good to go. Lastly, don't forget a good quality camera or smartphone. Amsterdam is a city of breathtaking canals, historic buildings, and vibrant street art. You'll want to capture these memories. And remember, the best camera is the one you have with you, so make sure it's charged, has enough storage, and is ready to go at a moment's notice. Armed with these gadgets, you're all set to explore Amsterdam's buzzing city life. When in Amsterdam, do as the Amsterdammers do. This age-old adage is more than just a catchy phrase. It's the golden rule of travel. Respecting local laws and customs isn't just about avoiding fines or penalties. It's about being a responsible traveler. In Amsterdam, that means understanding the city's unique way of life. For instance, cycling is a way of life here. So if you're hopping on a bike, remember to follow the local traffic rules. It also means respecting the city's rich history. Amsterdam's buildings, many of which date back to the 17th century, are a testament to its past. Treat them with the reverence they deserve. And don't forget the city's vibrant art scene. If you're visiting museums and galleries, remember to follow the rules. No flash photography, silence your phone, and so on. Respecting the local culture makes your trip more enriching and helps preserve the city's charm for future visitors. So, ready to pack your bags for Amsterdam? We've covered a lot of ground today, and now you're equipped with an arsenal of tips for your upcoming adventure. Remember, Amsterdam's climate is a dance of surprises, so mastering the art of layering is key. Be ready for rain and cycling. It's a part of the city's charm. Your rain gear and comfortable footwear will make this an enjoyable experience. Essential travel documents, along with a basic first aid kit, should never be overlooked. They're your passport to a hassle-free journey. For the urban explorers among us, practical gadgets will enhance your city exploration. Finally, respecting local laws and customs will not only keep you out of trouble, but enrich your understanding of Amsterdam's unique culture. With these tips, you're well prepared for an unforgettable trip to Amsterdam. Safe travels! Before we wrap up, we'd like to invite you to come sit with all of us along the Amstel River. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more travel guides and tips. Also, if you've already visited Amsterdam and have some tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our viewers, and your insights could help other travelers on their journey. So, let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching and safe travels.